but I do know that I love you. And I know that
Perfect day.
what a wonderful world this will be. Don't know much about geography.
Jared.
Don't know much trigonometry.
Medyo yun.
Ay, medyo yun pala. Hindi ka nagsabi.
What a slide.
Smile ulit, nak.
But I know that's my honest. And if this become
Jared, ano po yung masasabi sa pagkain?
Masarap ba eh?
Sarap lang?
Pero mas masarap talaga kung kasama yung girlfriend.
Wow.
Question.
Ano yan?
Where's the snow?
Free! Yan ang bibilin ko.
Fresh.
Sir!
3:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Pinakahihintay natin. Snow
Sa-
puffing.
Magkakaalaman. Ang big bite.
Basta.
Lasang lactose.
Advertisement.
Sarap. Sulit na sulit. $3.30.
Sulit ang banyo.
Sulit na sulit. Sulit ang lactate.
Sound check, sound check.
Crunch check, crunch check. Hindi.
Yung.
Sarap.
Anong masasabi mo sa snow puff?
Nice na.
Ayos lang. Makalat.
Makalat kayo.
Kalat. Dapat to kasi yung powder sa ibabaw, sinisinghot. Gano'n. Kasing. Yeah.
Gawain natin niya nung nakaraan eh. Literal na snow puffs.
That's how you know it's good food.
Kumusta yung boba?
Tons of pros.